Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to install a Konica Minolta print driver on a Windows computer. So let's start by opening up a web browser. I'm going to use Edge, but feel free to use whichever browser you have. Below the video, there is a link to this website. On the left-hand side here, we're going to search for the model of your printer. If you don't know the model of your printer, that's fine. If you go to the physical machine on the front door, there should be a badge there with the model on it. Choose your option from the drop-down, and then click Drivers. Select driver Universal 10 or 11 depending on which version of Windows you have. I have 11. And then choose the option that says KM Universal Driver _PCL. Once that finishes downloading, you can run that file from your downloads here, or if you don't have this window, you can come down to your File Explorer, go to Downloads, and find it there as well. You're going to left-click it and click Extract All from the menu on the top. You can also right-click it and then click Extract All. Leave this top portion alone, and then uncheck this box and click Extract. Once that is finished, close out of both of these windows, navigate to the search bar, type in Print, and then left-click the Printers and Scanners option. Once this pops up, you can click Add Device. Ignore devices that populate automatically and click Add Manually. Click Add a Printer using IP address and hit Next. Set device type as TCP/IP device from the drop-down. Type the IP address for your printer into this text box. If you don't know your IP address, watch our Find IP Address on Konica video before continuing. Uncheck this box if it is checked, and then click Next. If you get a window that looks like this, it basically means that the computer could not find the printer on the network. It typically means one of two things. One, ensure the IP address is correct, or if you're on a Wi-Fi network, your computer may be on a different Wi-Fi than the printer. If the printer has been found, you'll see this screen here. Click on Have Disk, and then Browse. Navigate to Home, then Downloads, and then find that driver we downloaded. Open that up. Go to the Drivers folder, choose 64, then click Open and OK. Choose the second option with the version number and hit Next. Here's where you can name your printer whatever you'd like. I'm going to name ours Main Floor. Click Next. If you click Next and you get a pop-up box with a username and password prompt, that means you need administrative rights to install the printer. You'll need to reach out to either your IT person or maybe your office manager, depending on who has that information, and get assistance from them. Everyone else, select Do Not Share This Printer and click Next. You can print a test page from here if you'd like to make sure that it's working. Then hit Finish, and you are good to go.